Hello friends, so welcome back again to our video today on 55 BTC crypto game. Now I want to show you how to play a particular game. We call it Minesweeping Game. Minesweeper. It's one of the easiest and to me it's very wow when it comes to this 55 BTC. I'm going to show you. I started this platform with $169 under level 3. And I've made some withdrawals, but I still have 200 and something. You're going to see it. Now, let me show you. So, when you want to play a game, you are going to go to... Okay, let me show you my balance first because of some doubting Thomases. Look at it. See what I have here already now. I started, like I showed you from the first video. This is 211. Actually, it was 208. I just played the game now where I made just... That's Minesweeper. Let me show you how it works. Around $3. Now, all you need to go to home page, click on games. Now look at all these games. All these games, I'm going to prepare videos on how to play them. Now let me click on that Minesweeping Game. Now, how does this Minesweeping Game works? See how it works. You can see there are 25 blocks here. These 25 blocks, 20 of them contains mines. Are you getting it? Why 5 of them contains bombs? Now, how do you play? The first thing you do is to go here under the amount for option. You put your amount you want to. I have $211. I can put any amount. You can even put $1. Yes. So even if you start with small, you can just try this game with $1 or any small. But remember, it's the money you put in that determines your outcome. As in normal everything, that's how it works. The outcome is the odd times what you put in. So if for instance I'm going to use $3 to do it. Now, once you click here, let me try it at the same time. Remember, these games you can lose or still win, but I want to show you something before I play it. Now, as I put here now, I click on confirm to show I'm ready to spend this $3. Now, I will just click any of these boxes. If I'm lucky, if I click once and it happened that I click one of the bombs, that $3 is lost. But if I click and get the right mine, I will get something, and I think if I get once, it's like 1 point something odd. You're going to see it. I've won 1 point something odd. If I might decide to stop there and withdraw my 1 point something odd. That means if I put $1, I earned, maybe if it's 1.9 odd, I have earned 90 cents. I might decide to, if I'm so much risk-averse person, I don't want to bear risk, I may just be taking it small every day. And by the time I'm done for the whole day, you'll be sure I will still rake in something. And that is the simplest way. If you are so risk-averse, you're afraid of putting in much or looking for something that will cause you problem, do that. Now, if I do second one and get it, my odd increases around 3 odds or 3 point something. If I click on, like the one I did, I made it up to 3 times and the 3 works. That gave me around 5 point something odd, almost $6. So because I put in $3, by the time the system returns $6 for me, I have a gain of $3. That's why from 208 I now have 211. You understand? It was 2 point something dollars I won in that profit just right now. And you know what it means? This is dollars now. If you're a Nigerian, you know what it means. And this is a simple game. Withdrawal is easy. I showed you an example of my withdrawal the other day. Very simple. Instant to your wallet. No joke, no delay, nothing. Now, it's very possible for you to play this thing up to 20 times because that's the option. 20 of the blocks are mines. That can increase your odds. So if you have the courage, you believe in yourself, that you have the authority to do it, play it. You rake in money, but you know it's risky. What if you play up to 10 and you already have higher odds? You can withdraw money. You decide to play the 11th one and bomb scatters everything. You lose everything. So I will always encourage to start small. So let's try it now for you to see. We can lose this, we can gain it, but that's the game. I click on confirm to confirm I'm ready to spend this money. Now look at it. I click on this. Yeah, I've gotten it. Now this one I click on has 1.22 odd. Because I put in $3, the system is already paying me 3.65, so I have earned 65%. And the system said the next order will give me 1.53. I click here to see if I'm going to get it. Oh, bomb! It came over. You see, I've lost it. You see where I click. You see where the 5 bombs is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only when you lose it that it will reveal it to you. I've lost it, but don't mind. Let's try it again because that's exactly how it goes. Now I want to play another one. I click on confirm. Let it not be because you're here that I'm losing it. I've got this. Look at it again. I've got this. Are you seeing it? My money has increased now to 4.59. What if I gather morale now and say, let me do it again? Can it work for me? I click the bomb. I seen it. I might decide at that moment I got 4 point something dollars, earning around 1 point something. I take it. I'm just using my money now to show you how this thing works. But that's where, you know, doing just not being too greedy is. So somebody might just, once I pick two and get something up to 1 point something dollars, I withdraw. Are you getting it? Now let me do another one. Are you getting it? So that is exactly how this stuff works. That's exactly how it works. I've got to, at this point, 4.59. I can still decide to withdraw. Okay, let me assume I settle it. I withdraw it. Confirm. You see, I withdrawn it. It has added. My money reduced to 202 before, and it has gone to 207. Now, I might decide to play again. So, you see how I lost, and I'm ready to. Okay, see, I click the bump instantly. So, $3 is gone. See where the bump is, and I clicked it. Now, so this particular game, you may have watched me now lose 30. Wow, this is trouble. No, it's not trouble. I know it's a game. You make your choice. Let it not be because you are just watching me and this is getting problem. I've clicked the bomb again. You see it. I click here. So one might be just decide that once you get one, you just close. But it's very possible. See where the bomb is. Imagine if I have gone through this side and just get that momentum and click all of these things. It's very possible. But you wouldn't know. Look at the bomb, just see how they are scattered. Yet it's lost. Now, finally, I'm going to do this and see. I click the bomb again. Instead of going this way, I go this way. Are you seeing it? So only one I got before the bomb shot this up. So, but this is hard to, you can see there's options. Why I'm showing it because everybody, with your understanding, you know that you can easily, when you master the game, you'll be able to tell yourself, if I go this area, I will likely, if I go this area, and you can do up to 5 and increase your whatever and make withdrawals. And that's exactly how this game works. So, and this is it. Yes, I know what my coin is now. Yes, it has gone a bit down. I started this morning with 208. Now I have 198, so I've lost $10. But remember, I know how I earned, so that's why I don't have problem. I've earned, I've withdrawn, so it makes sense to me. I know when I play this game, I'm going to recover. This is one of the games I so recommend. It's so sweet. Yes, bump. Imagine 5 bumps out of 20. You will definitely, even if you decide that, okay, it's 1-1. Once I get one, I withdraw a little, I pay again. You can do that. You understand? That's exactly how this stuff works. So, if you have not joined this system, it's a very legit system, very strong, very legit. And you withdraw your money very simple. Please, I encourage you. Put in that money, even if it's $10, and start at that level 2. Just put $10. You can use $1 to try this. Little gather small. Don't put another one. If you can invite your friends, and increase your earnings. You can withdraw from whatever. Just make money. Little dollar, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get money. It is simple. It is working. It is fantastic. So anyway, you're watching the video, if you are watching this on TikTok, definitely let me know. I will give you my WhatsApp contact so that you can contact me on how to join. If you're watching on Facebook, if you're watching on YouTube, you'll see the link to join anywhere. Just if you're watching on, let me give you contact. Be part of this, and you'll not regret being part of this. This is one of the best things you can find online today, and you make crazy money with this. This is just one of the games. I will still prepare videos on how the other games, so I can't do all of them here today. But this one is very important. You go through this video and master exactly how to do it. I've mastered all of them, so I can tell you the rules of the game. Very simple. Please, if you are new to our channel, do it to subscribe, and don't forget to sign up under us. Let's build a team together, and let's end together. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.